Hello students, in this video on triangles, we will be doing the MCQs of problem set 3. These are your MCQ questions. There are 3 MCQs. These MCQs cannot be solved by observation. We need to work out the sums in the rough work and arrive at the answer. The first question says that if two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeters and 1.5 centimeters, the length of its third side cannot be 3.7, 4.1, 3.8 centimeter or 3.4. Which of these lengths will not be the third side? You have to be very careful in reading these questions, children. Now, in order to do this, solve this particular MCQ, we are going to use the property that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. If you add any two, now whenever we add any two distances, we always add the smaller two distances, and we have to check whether the sum is greater than the third side, the greatest distance. Okay, so we'll start with the rough work. So the first option is 3.7. The first option is 3.7 centimeter. And so if I take this as the length, the what will be the lengths of the three sides? It will be 5, 1.5 and 3.7. I'm not writing the units in the rough work. So out of these three lengths, these two are the smaller two lengths. So I'm going to take 1.5 plus 3.7. When I add this, I get 5.2. So what do I get? The sum is greater than the greatest distance. This is the greatest distance or greatest length. So it is greater. That means 3.7 can be the side. Let's take the next one. We will take 4.1 centimeter. So what will be the three lengths? 5, 1.5 and 4.1. Again, these two are the smaller two lengths. So I am going to add them. 4.1. This becomes 5.6. And now this is also greater than 5. So 4.1 will also be the length. Okay. Now I'll take the other two options also. So the third option is 3.8. Now when I take 3.8, what will be the lengths? 5, 1.5 and 3.8. So when I add these two are the smaller lengths. So when I add this 1.5 plus 3.8, you will get 5.3. This 5.3 is again greater than 5. What is this 5? The largest length. So when it is greater, this can be the length. Suppose, so obviously the fourth one is the correct answer, but we will check. 5, 1.5 and 3.4. When I add this two, I get 1.5 plus 3.4 equal to 4.9. And this 4.9 is less than 5. It should be greater. It is less. That means 3.4 cannot be the length. So here the correct answer will be 3.4. Hope this part is clear, students. Let's take the next question, which says in triangle PQR, if angle R is greater than angle Q, then which of these options will be the correct options? Okay. Now to prove to solve this MCQ, we will use the property that if any two angles of a triangle are not equal, then the side opposite to the greater angle will be the greater angle will be greater, and the side opposite to the smaller one will be smaller. We are going to use this property. Now to do this, we will first draw the figure. So this is triangle P, Q and R. In this it is given that angle R is greater than angle Q. So angle R is greater than angle Q. I have used two lines to show that it is greater, and one line to show that angle Q is small. So using this property, we know that this angle opposite, the side opposite to angle R will be greater. So I put two lines, and side opposite to angle Q will be small. So this, so when I write this, using this, I can write this PQ is greater than PR, or I can write PQ is less than PR. Sorry. PR is less than PQ. I can write either of the two options. Either I write PQ greater than PR or PR greater less than PQ. Now using this we will we'll find out which is the correct option. QR greater than PR. We don't know the relation between QR as we don't know the relation between the side angle opposite to QR, that is angle P. So this option we can't take. What about PQ greater than PR? PQ greater than PR. Yes, we are having this. So this is the correct option. Okay. PQ less than PR is not the correct option. QR less than PR is also not the correct option. We don't know the relation between QR and the other sides. Okay, students. Hope this part is clear. Let us go to the next question. In the next question, we have in triangle TPQ, T is 65 degrees, P is 95 degrees. Which of the following statement is a true statement? So let's have the triangle here. We have triangle T, P and Q. Now here T is 65 degrees and angle P is 95 degrees. We don't know, so that means side opposite. We don't know the third angle, that is angle Q. So we will find angle Q by using the angle sum property, that is angle P plus T plus angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. So on substituting here we get 65 plus 95 plus angle Q is 180 degrees. So when we calculate this, we will get angle Q is 180 minus 160, which is equal to 20 degrees. So we mark this here as 20. So from this we know that this is the smallest angle, after that Q and after that T. So let's mark this on the figure. So we know that Q is the smallest one. So I put one line. After that I go to angle side opposite to angle T, that is 65 degrees. So this is the side opposite to. So I put 2 lines over it. And the greatest side is TQ. So I put 3 lines over it. Okay. Now I'll write the relation. So I know that the greatest side is TQ will be greater than PQ greater than TP. Or this is in the descending order, or if I write in the ascending order, I start with TP less than PQ less than TQ. Now using this, I am going to select the correct option. PQ less than TP. PQ less than, no, PQ is greater than TP. So this option I can't take. First option is not possible. Then PQ less than TQ. PQ less than TQ. Yeah, I get less than PQ less than TQ is here. So this is the correct option. We want to verify whether these two options are also correct. Let's check. TQ less than TP. No, TQ is always the greater. So you can't have this option. After that PQ. PQ less than TQ, that is also not possible. Okay, students. So to work out these sums, we to get the answers of these such type of MCQs, we have to do some bit of calculations in the rougher. Only then you will be able to solve this. Hope this part is clear, students, to you. That's all for the day, children. Thank you.